Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful top. You'll be needing your fabric, tailor's chalk, tape and scissors. Fold your fabric into 4 as seen here. Get the desired length of the blouse as seen here. Mark shoulder plus sleeve length as seen here. Mark neckline of 5 by 4 inches as seen here or more depending on your choice. Slope shoulder by 1.5 inch as seen here. Mark the armhole and connect to the hem line as seen here. Cut it out as seen here. Open it up. Set the back panel aside and draw the star line on the front panel as seen here. The front and back placed together as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.